Welcome back, everyone. This is Nate from Nate's Here and There, coming to you from near far. Today, I gotta finish this trip, get back to DC. I got some more. Since it wouldn't work yesterday, I got to go in and try to do the my computer work. Hopefully, I can get it done and get out of there and get on a good load. But grab a chair on this day the Lord has made. Sit back and enjoy. And this is my breakfast for champions for the next couple of weeks. Dino Cocoa Bites. These things are good. I get them in a huge bag out of Walmart. They're really good. Alright, I done got my pre-trip done. I got another load. I am heading back to the DC, and oh my goodness, Charlotte again. Locust, Charlotte, Waxhaw, and back to Pageland. I got 4 stores to go to, but they're all right around here in Charlotte. I don't know what's going on. I really don't. I made it here to DC and Pageland. Just pulled in. I gotta get out and do my walk around and get back in, you know. Then I'm gonna go get me a shower before I do anything, before I go anywhere. Get my stuff ready. Go in and take a shower. Sometimes I do this. I'll take a shower in the middle of the day. Find my clothes. That's not it. I got multiple sets of clothes in here. Maybe already in my bag. I may have already put it in my bag. Yeah, I did. Have to get there and get me a shower. I'm gonna have to wait till I get back. That was a no-go. There was a lot of drivers in there getting showers, so I can't wait around. I don't like to wait around. You know, you gotta go. You gotta make money. Now, if I was gonna get in there and get out, now I wouldn't mind that. But I just don't want to. I sit there and wait. I like to get in and get out. I'm about to get out of the truck. Get out here and do my pre-trip. Okay, that's what I'm about to do. that pre-trip done. About ready to hit my first stop in Locust, North Carolina. That's going to be another Charlotte run. Locust, I got my paperwork right here. Locust, Charlotte, and Neighborhood Market. 2 neighborhood markets and 2 super centers. What can you do? I have made it to my first stop here in Locust.
Back 'em down. We got a bear and a plain brown rapper.
Sorry, that's my text message. I got to get out, do my 360. So that's what I'm about to do right now. have arrived here at my first stop. Or I'm sorry, my second stop. I don't know what I'm thinking. In 1821 Supercenter on Albemarle Road here in Charlotte. So I'm about to get out and do my walk around, my 360 of safety. Then I get back into the door. Okay, I am done back into the door. They only got 3 pallets. 1 dairy, 2 frozen. That's all they got. Let's go in there and see how long it's going to take them to. Hopefully it don't take too long. Alright, I have arrived. Third stop for the day. 4148. This is a neighborhood market here in Charlotte. Arrived myself. I'm about to get out of the truck and do my 360 of safety. Then get back in and head on down to, hopefully it won't take that long. Backed into the door. About to see how many they got. Computer says they got 7. So we fixed to go find out. I always like this store. They good guys work here. I like this store. back in the truck. I got unloaded. They had seven pallets. Like the computer said. Sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just according. But we don't do seals anymore. We just stopped using seals, so only thing I gotta do is put my lock on the back of the trailer. Come get in the truck. And just go ahead and just leave. That's it. I love this. Now I'm going to 7180. I've been there 3 days. This will be my third time being there. It's Waxhaw. Have arrived at my first, or I can't even want to say first, my final stop for today in Waxhaw. I've been in the store 3 times this week here at the neighborhood market. I don't know. I said something today and I've kind of got some pushback, so I said, whatever. I'm not going to say another word. I just do what they tell me to now. And I got to get out, do my walk around, do my 360, my safety. Well, I done about ready to leave this stop. Find me somewhere to park. They didn't have this spot. I'll tell you right. It wasn't that guy's fault. It wasn't his fault. It's just when one of the pallets turned over, and I mean, what can you do? What can you really do? I mean, the pallet turned over, and that was a lot for one guy, because I can't get in there. That's the bad thing about it. I can't get in the trailer and help like I want to. I would love to get in there and help, but I can't. They won't allow us to. But I mean, that's just part of this job. Well, I found me somewhere to park tonight. Move this. That's probably in my way. You can't really see me because of this microphone. Let me just stuff it up there. But I did find me somewhere to park. The Monroe Walmart, Monroe, North Carolina. I know I'm making a lot of noise. But I only went to 4 stores today in Charlotte. Excuse me, in Charlotte. But if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit your bell to notify you when I upload videos just like this one. Like, share, and comment on the videos. With all that said, be safe, God bless, and we'll catch you on the next one. And remember to let go and let God. Bye now.